Good afternoon, Professor. So, this is my personal timetable. So, last week I prepared the title of Eric paper and received the normal people samples by our professor from Halim Dehakya. For the AD project with IPD, last week I checked the AD sample with another resonator with Jacob and had experienced experimental process with Jacob. For the PSC in urine project, I participated with Dr. Sachin and checked the capacitance with the different concentration. We are working now for the SARS-CoV 2019 newly coronavirus. As our professor said, to work with D5 chip now, so I prepared some D5 chip and testing of antigen for different concentration. This week I'll be going to test normal people sample testing, as a professor wants to check the normal people sample with P3 chip first. For the AD project with IPD sensor, I will going to have a meeting with Jacob. Today we have discussed about experiment for the PSA with IPD now. For the urine project in PSA, I'm going to work with Dr. Sachin for the testing of antigen antibody interaction and sensitivity measurement. For the SARS-CoV-2 work, I need to times for data analysis and preparation of antigen for different concentration, as well paper writing, and have experiment with P3 D3 chip for recovery time and the shelf life time. This is my paper writing plan. I'm focusing for the corona detection work first. Another one is AD patient sample work for Alzheimer disease. This one is PSA sensing with Dr. Sachin, and another one is tau protein AD detection. Professor, this is our SARS-CoV graphene IDC research work. All the information, corona detection biosensing technology. This is our title. I'll ask to juniors to check the surface characterization of this corona detection is SAM, AFM and FTIR. This is a detailed schedule for coronavirus paper. Title abstract 15 June, introduction conceptual figure 25 August, characterization data and plotting 10 September, and methodology results and discussion 25 September. And I will be preparing the final optimization and data setup before submitting to professor 10 October. Already presented to our professor. I want to skip these slides. Directly going with the results part. Professor, as I prepared the dilution from 10 to the minus 3 concentration, 10 to the minus 12 concentration of corona antigen. So this is our results using capacitance and optical microscope results. So this is our results with the P3 chip, our chip with graphene oxide plus EDC NHS plus antibody and antigen from 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power minus 12 concentration. So our chip graphene oxide EDC NHS and antibody, it changes to threefold after using the antigen values. This is our Bayer chip under consideration. This is our results. I checked this is colored picture of graphene oxide, and black is also representing the equal distribution of graphene oxide on our chip. This is a equal distribution with big picture. This is another picture. This is EDC NHS. You can see here coating of EDC NHS on chip. This is one is EDC NHS same, and this is antibody with the equal distribution on chip. This is a maximum size. Professor, I checked all the results with D5 chip also, as our professor recommend to check the D5 chip first because it looks like IDC. So I'm considering this chip for our corona research work. I did all the experiment from 10 to the power minus 3 concentration to 10 to the power minus 12 concentration, and I prepared some graphical results. These results with the bare chip is in black, bare plus graphene oxide is in reddish part, and chip plus graphene oxide plus EDC NHS plus antibody, this is in blue part. After using the different concentration of antigen, this is our final graph with the antigen. As we can see, minus 12 is having the high concentration, minus 12 is having the low concentration, so then the capacitance value is less. As we are increasing the concentration, the capacitance value is increasing. So for the final testing, I am plotting the graph and check the mathematical equation for our sensitivity work. This is our Alzheimer's disease IDC experiment of this is our RFIC lab chip and graphene oxide coated. This is our impedance analyzer results. Last time we had results with testing of amyloid beta 1 to 40 for the before TDCS, as professor asked to check the before TDCS sample. So I will be considering the before TDCS sample for all the patients, and this is our 1 to 42 amyloid beta before TDCS. I will be considering for this experiment too. And next I will be checking for the normal people sample in this week and compare the amyloid beta 1 to 40, 1 to 42 and normal people sample with amyloid beta detection. This is our SAM, AFM and FTIR results. Already we have the characterization results. This one is a chemical process of all the process. FTIR data, P-chip, P6 chip with chip plus graphene oxide. We already got the bonding of chip with the graphene oxide. And this is our graphene oxide plus EDC NHS, already confirmed by another results. I already had a confirmation with another results, the same peak we are getting here. This is our EDC NHS plus antibody 1 to 42 with amyloid beta bonding. For the P6 chip, this is 1 to 40 antibody emulation. This chip is our AFM results, chip plus graphene oxide. This looks like a similar with the provided one same result by the company of this graphene material. This is our EDC NHS. As you can see here, equal distribution of the EDC NHS material on graphene oxide flakes, and the thickness is going similar with all the equal distribution. This is our antibody 1 to 42. This one is also having the 1 to 40, which is having the good results with equal distribution on the chip surface. This is our chip plus graphene oxide flakes, as we can see in picture clearly. So I am going to use this picture for our final results for amyloid beta 1 to 40 and 1 to 42 detection work. This is our EDC NHS implementation using the same results. We can see the equal distribution with the good results. This is our antibody distribution, as we can see in our picture on the IDC NHS graphene oxide composite. This is another picture with the size of this stakes of antibody 1 to 40, 25 to 9 micrometer and 22 to 7 micrometer. This is another good picture. So I am going to use this picture for our experimental work. Last week, Professor, I did the IPD experiment with Jacob with all these process. So I am going to skip these processes. Already we had discussed with our professor for the process. This is our IPD chip, an experimental process. Professor, I prepared some picture for my paper, previous paper. So for the IPD technology, I am going to do some modification in our final picture and schematics with Jacob. This is our result previously. So we are working on this again. This is our IPD based detection of light beta. As professor asked me to check the samples, so I postponed my vacation plan due to the testing of normal people samples. Thank you, professor, for giving me the samples to test it first. That's all, professor. This is my achievement plans, my paper. So I will be going to prepare another paper with another samples provided by Halim De Hakio. This is my corona paper plan. Quote the papers. This is conference or seminar abstracts. That's all, professor. Thank you, professor.